This temperature and pressure relief valve is dripping. I ran some tests and I know the T&P valve is bad. I do have a video that shows how to troubleshoot one of these valves. There's a link to it in the box below this video. The model number and specs are on the faceplate. I've purchased an exact replacement. To prevent the water heater from operating, if it's gas-fired, turn it to pilot mode. If the heater is electric, turn off power. Close the cold water inlet valve. The hot and cold inlets are often marked on the top of the tank with a C and an H. Attach a hose to the drain valve. Drain the water into a floor drain or someplace else that's below the water level in the tank. To relieve pressure in the tank, open a hot water faucet. The T&P valve can also be opened. Open the drain. Drain the water until the level is below the T&P valve. This is a 40-gallon tank and the valve is a little bit above the quarter way, so I'll drain about 8 or 9 gallons to be safe. After the tank is drained to the desired level, close the drain valve. Remove the hose. Remove the drain line. Turn the valve counterclockwise. I'm having to use a cheater bar to break it loose. If you're having a lot of problems getting the valve out, you might try squirting a little PB Blaster or some other oil penetrant onto the threads and wait maybe a half an hour. Here's the 11-year-old valve, and it doesn't look too bad inside. Wrap about 5 or 6 rounds of tape on the new valve's threads. Wrap the tape in this direction so that it overlaps this way. When you turn the valve into the heater, it won't catch and fold over. There's some mineral deposits in the threads. I'll brush them away with an old toothbrush. Install the new valve. I'll hand tighten it, then snug it up. I've wrapped some tape around the drain line threads. And I'll hand tighten that, then snug it up a bit. Open the cold water inlet valve. When water flows out of the open hot water tap, you can close it. Relight the heater. Restore power. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.